Good morning, students. Let us start with question number 5, is 6 of exercise 3.3. The question is 4,225 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So let us see. Total number of plants planted in a garden is 4,225. Now let the number of plants in each row be x and let the number of rows be x. Now it is given that the number of plants planted in each row and number of rows are equal. So we have taken it as x. So the total number of plants planted will be x into x. Now according to the question, x into x equals to 4,225 or x square equals to 4,225. So we have to find out the square root of this 4,225. For this we will again take the prime factorization of 4,225. You see here units digit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 9s are 45. Then again you must have learnt, I told you to have to learn. So it is a square of 13, isn't it? So 13 13s are 169. So 13. So let's take out, we will write down the prime factors, that is 5 into 5 into 13 into 13. We will just pair them equal prime factors. We will take out one factor from each pair. So it is 5 and 13. So 5 into 13 is 65. So how many we have to find out number of plants and number of rows. So number of plants is x, that is again 65. Number of rows is x, so that is also 65. So again 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, isn't it? So it is coming 484. Now we will find out the square root of 484. If you would have learnt, you would have known it, but if you have not learnt, but then also have to show. So we will use the prime factorization method. So now we will take out the prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 11, 11s are 121, 11 1s are 11. So x will be equal to under root or square root of 484, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 11 into 11, which we have just found out. Now we will again pair it and take out 1 factors from each pair. So it is 2, I am taking 1 2 from here and 1 11 also. So you are getting as 22. So what is length? Length is 4x, that is 88 meter, and breadth is x, that is 22 meter. Now let us do question number 8. In a school, a PT teacher wants to arrange 2,000 students in the form of rows and columns for PT display. If the number of rows is equal to the number of columns and 64 students could not be accommodated in this arrangement, find the number of rows. Okay. So what are the informations given? That the total number of students are how many? 2,000. And they have to be arranged in the form of rows and columns. And it is also given that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. And 64 students could not be accommodated, means out of 2,000, 64 will not be there. So how many number of rows are there? So let's solve it. So the total number of students is 2,000. Number of students which cannot be accommodated is how much? 64. So the number of students who can be accommodated is how much? 2,000 minus 64, that is 1,936. These many students will be accommodated because 64 cannot be accommodated in that rows. Now let the number of rows be x, and it is given that rows and columns are equal, so number of columns will be also equal to x. Now according to the question, x into x equals to 1,936. So x square equals to 1936. So x will be equal to square root of 1936. Now to find out the square root, again we will use the prime factorization method. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 11 11s are 121, 11 ones are 11. So what are the prime factors we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. So we are pairing it now. 2 into 2 one pair, 2 into 2 another, 11 into 11. Now what we will do, we will take out one number from each pairs. So 2 into 2 into 11. So x equals to 44. So the number of rows is equal to 44. Answer. So children, complete this work. Thank you.